scalping on 1 minute. Scalping is very common all over the world. People always find which strategy is the best for doing scalp, and I think moving average is one indicator which is most suitable to make a scalping strategy. That's why I made a strategy using simply one moving averages, that is 21 period exponential moving averages, and I use a trendy pair. We all know that JPY pairs are the trendy pair, like AUD JPY, NZD JPY, Swiss franc JPY, GB JPY. I pick Euro JPY. This is Euro JPY chart, Euro against Japanese yen 1 minute chart, and we set our moving average. The property is 21 period exponential moving average and apply to close. Okay, allow me to change the color. I'm going to change it at red color. Okay, this is our strategy. Our strategy is our price needs to close below the 21 exponential moving average. So like this way, here we got it. This candle closes below the 21 exponential moving average. It closes here below this exponential moving average. Let me change to color at horizontal line at green color. Okay, so we will sell here. If we sold here, we could make a good amount of money, huge profit. We could make near 16 pips at 1 minute chart. We could make 16 pips. This is huge, and this is our stop loss at the high of the candle. Which candle? That candle who broke the 21 period moving average. So every time it closes, here we got it, every time it closes below the 21 period exponential moving average, here we all see that price tried to push up, but it rejected from 21 period exponential moving average and closes below the 21 period exponential moving average. So we can sell from here, and our stop loss would be here. Again we got it. Again we can sell here because the price closes below the 21 period exponential moving average. We can sell again here. We can sell at here, rejected from 21 period moving average. We can sell here. So every time it closes below the exponential moving average, we can sell our pair. Here we can get another trade. Here we can get another trade. Now we can get another trade at here. 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 Every time we will place our trade, our stop loss would be high of the candle which breaks our exponential moving average, and every time always remember our risk reward would be 1:1 only. Okay, we can get another trade here. We can trade here. We can make trade another trade here because these are the candles which broke our. We can get another trade here. We also sell here. Again we are seeing that price rejected from here. We can sell from here. So every time it got rejected from 21 period moving average and closes below the 21 period moving average, we can sold here. Here this is our stop loss. We can trade again here. So by this way we can buy in single Euro JPY pair. We can get 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 trade on sell side. Now come to buy side. When price broke the 21 period moving average and closes above the 21 period exponential moving average. Now we got it. We got this candle which closes above exponential moving 21 period exponential moving average. So we can buy here and we can put our stop loss here. Again this candle closes above exponential 21 period exponential moving average. So we can buy again here and our stop loss would be here. We can buy here. Our stop loss would be here. So by this way we can also buy our pair when price market closes above the 21 period exponential moving average. So as the strategy goes, closes below exponential 21 period exponential moving average we will sell, and closes above 21 period exponential moving average we will buy. This is the 1 minute scalping strategy.